Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today is a haul video, and finally some of my things have been slowly but surely coming in from AliExpress. These are orders that I have been holding on to the last 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And as always, I will put the links down below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing them. So the first thing I'm so super stoked about, it's super adorable, and I only got one because I wanted to see what it looked like first, because you know AliExpress can be deceiving sometimes. So look at how cute. It's a storage container. Look at how stinking cute. Of course it had to be like Sanrio themed, but they had different ones, you guys, so this is not the only ones that they have available. So they had different characters. So this is the one I got. It has all of the Sanrio characters, not all of them, but and look, it's a compartment type container. So I thought this would be so cute in my craft room, because I feel like my style is changing once again in my craft room because it's so sterile. It's just like white, and that's about it. So it's a little bit sterile, and I want to just have some fun in my craft room. Well, it's not even a room, it's just like a little area. So this is what I purchased, and again, I will put the link down below. And then I got some dies that came in, and I'm super excited. Thank you, Natalie, for the heads up. Put some bling on it, message me. And she told me about these dies. And these are the new Hello Kitty dies, and I love them because they're pieces. The old ones that they have is just one piece, and you have to cut them multiple times in order to get the different layers. But this one has different pieces, so I got this one. I wasn't gonna show them yet until I made something, but I decided to, just in case you guys are interested. And then there's this one, and this is my favorite one. And I have like, I think 2 more coming in. So this are the Hello Kitty dies. And then I got a lot of Cabochons. You guys know I love me some Cabochons. This one is super adorable. And I forgot what they're not called Cabochons. They're like, I think they're called planer, I don't know. But anyways, I'll put the link down below. But they look like this. The back is like plain. Oops. But that's what they look like. And they're like little twin star with a star bubblegum machine. And I thought that was super adorable. And I have to message them because some of them were broken. So they will be getting a message from me regarding that, because that's kind of a bummer. Because the shipping on this was kind of outrageous, but I thought they were so cute that I had to get them. So I got that. And then some more Cabochons. These are more like kawaii Cabochons. They're super adorable. Sorry about the sound. These are little cups. Super adorable. And they have like a little glimmer, or yeah, see, they have like a little glitter in them. That was cute. And then let's see, are you gonna open? Okay, here we go. Got some of these. These are little sundaes, or ice cream, or whatever you want to call it. So got those ones, and they're super cute again because I don't know if you could tell, they have like a little shimmer to them. See that? Picked up that. And then I haven't even opened these yet to check them out. I'm just opening them right now. Here's some more Cabochons. Little Hello Kitty French fries. Super adorable. So I picked up that one. And this is interesting because you know those little shakers that everybody has been making with, I think Bona did a video. She used those lamination pouches, and then a few of the ladies used those vinyls. Well, I found this on AliExpress. Look, they're little pouches, and then they have a little hole, 2 holes at the end. I don't know why, but I'm gonna figure it out. And you can, I guess you can just put double-sided clear tape on it once you put the little thing inside, like your little sequins or glitter or whatnot. And then voila. And I thought that was super cute. And I thought that was easy. So I'm gonna try these, definitely. And they come with a lot of them. So super excited I found these. And then I got some charms. I think these are the only charms that I picked up, but they're Christmas related, because you know Christmas is just around the corner, and that is going to fly by super fast before you know it. And I thought these were so cute. They had different colors, but I decided to get the pink ones. Look at how cute that is. And it has a red nose. So I got that. And then going back to the Cabochons, some more Christmas items. I think these are deers, if I could recall. But look at how stinking cute these are. They're pink. They have like a little yellow nose and a flower. But look at how cute. So, picked up those. Oh, I did get some more charms. Christmas related too. I got these little snow globes. I know you guys seen this before because I've seen a lot of ladies haul these, but I love the colors. Thought that was really cute. Picked up that. Some more Sanrio related Cabochons. Look at how stinking cute this is. Isn't that so cute? That's Tuxedo Sam. And that's what the back looks like. So it's a dimensional one. I thought he was so cute, so I got Tuxedo Sam. And then, of course, I had to get Twin Star. Look at how cute. So I got her. And then this one. So I got Kiki and Lala. Super cute. And then we're almost done, you guys. But again, I will put all the links down below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing some of these, because they are so cute. And then I got these ones. These are super adorable. Aren't they cute? Look at the little face on them. And then there's a little cherry at the top. So I picked those up. And then... And I think these are all from the same store. Picked these cuties up, and she has a bow at the top. But look at how cute. So I picked up those. And last, that came in. And this is also from the same store, I believe. Because they're all the same themed. They're like kawaii, sweet treats. Look at how cute. Look at the little faces. They have little stars here. So there's that one. And I think I have some more coming in, but I'm not sure. But look at how stinking cute this would be on a dangle. Super cute. So yeah, that is my collective AliExpress haul with everything that finally came in the last couple weeks. I have some more items that I'm just waiting for to collect and then do a video. So I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.